This world has deteriorated a lot, Chitragupta. Wherever we see, there is murder, robbery, theft, fooling. There is a lot of pressure from above. We have to set everything. What can we do if humans are choosing wrong path, Master? We will do what we always have done. What we have been doing for so many years, that's the solution. Whenever humans go on a wrong path, we show them the right path, right? Jesus, Moses, Krishna or Muhammad, they have shown us the right path, right? Similarly, we will teach the humans as well. What do you think? Who are the best people on earth? Look around, Master. There is a small kid in Tamil Nadu. He has done most of the virtue and knowledge. I'm not sure what knowledge you are going to give him, my master. According to virtue, I will tell Chitragupta. Master, will common man will be able to accept such big secret, Master?
Daddy, what is calculation of holy and sin?
Young Master, the fate of every person living on earth depends on the good deeds he has done. It stays accordingly. If a person has done a lot of virtue, then according to his merit, he will continue to live a good life. But if you have earned a lot of sin by going on a wrong path, then your virtue will be accounted and less. According to that, bad things will happen to that person. Let's see these people choose the right path or not. You told me about the boy, right? Tell me about his life, what kind of person he is. Let me look at his life. Hey Vishwa, the bus is free for old people. Do you know about this? Since when this is? I only travel in car. That day I didn't have an option, so I boarded a bus. So one old man was traveling without a ticket. What's your problem if he's not taking a ticket? I can't be like you every time, right? That's why I'm asking. Tell me how the bus runs? Through petrol. With whose money does it? With the tax that I pay. Why should I pay the tax for someone's free rides? Why would I pay for this? I get angry when I think about these old people. Hi dog. Hey Sage, where did you go? Suraj is helping someone in an old age home, man. Yes, dude. And he will live for only 2-3 months is the doctor has said. That's why I wanted to be with him in his last time, like a parrot. Yes. Why? There is nobody to take care of him? No, man. He's very lonely person. Uh-huh. Oh, shut your mouth. I'm trying to do something good. Yes. He's very good person. Huh? He's very successful person. He has earned crores of rupees. Who is he? Where did he spend his life? No one knows. Properties worth of crores. Everyone who lives there, they love him. Oh yes, I already had a doubt, Suraj. You won't help anyone without benefits. You are helping him just because you want to grab his properties and crores of rupees. Hey, shut your mouth. I will not agree on this. You came from Rajasthan and you want to grab all the property. I should be the right nominee for his properties. Hey, no one is going there for property. I love to help the elderly people. Oh, I will also come for that. I also like to help the elderly people. How much I like elderly people, you don't know that. I will take care of him. There is no need for this. Oh, you're refusing me? What's bothering you? I just have to hold his hand, right? I will do that. He will never allow you to do that. He doesn't like today's kids at all. He's very old person. If you talk such silly things in front of him, he will never like that. Suraj, you have seen only one face of mine. My name is Douglas. I have one more face.
Mr. Gopal, from today someone else will come to take care of you.
Hello, Grandpa. My name is Mangal Govind Ramamurthy. In short, they call me MGR. Hey, your name is Douglas. My name is MGR. My father would never approve this English name, and I also don't like. Son, you talk very sweetly, son. Oh, Grandpa, he's really very bad person. He reeks of gutter when he speaks. Thank you, Grandpa, thanks. These modern day kids defames Hindi. I don't like that, and I feel very bad about it. Me too, son. Yeah. Ever since my mother started scolding? Yeah. Ever since till my kids grew up? Breathing in this air is feeling like a poison to me, son. Very true, very true, very true. What is your favorite name? Gopal. Gopal, Gopal, Gopal. In this old age home, will you you must have seen so many people coming in, but I am not like them. I'm seriously a different person. I'm not the same person who came to see you. I came running when I heard that you are dying, not to see your death. But I just wanted to be with you, to give you love. This Suraj is not going to take care of you. What should I do? He's a bad person. He's not capable enough to take care of old people at all. That's why I came here to tell you the truth. Why he wants to take care of you. Nobody helps anyone. In fact, I'm the victim here. My real grandfather's name is Kalyan Raman. Very beautiful person, but he never had a partner. I feel so unfortunate because I have seen such people living their lives so lonely. If we give a little love to a person who is dying, then that person feels very happy. Please trust me, I'm a very good person. Just speaking of things, we cannot gain the trust of a person who is dying. They need some love as well. And I will take care of you. I'm not like the Suraj, who will backstab you in some days and run away from here and won't take your responsibility. Son, will he wipe your tears? Son, will he take care of you? Son, promise me that you will be there when I am dying. Only you stay with me. I can't trust anyone. Oh, you cunning boy. You are so selfish. What happened, Suraj? Douglas backstabbed you. He was saying that his grandfather never married. So how his father was born, how he was born, I'm confused because of that. And why he lied to me, I don't know.
Leave it, Suraj. I will tell you how to teach him a lesson.
Let them do whatever they want to. I don't have any desire to teach him a lesson. If he takes care of him, that's it.
Hey, Suraj, he'll not take care of him. That's why I'm telling you.
If I was with him, it would be a great help to him. I can't trust this Douglas at all. He must have influenced grandfather by buttering him up and talking sweet things to him. And I am feeling very sad about it. Oh my God. This is also true. Now you just tell me what we have to do.
We have to uncover his truth. He has subdued grandfather by talking like old man to him. He knows nothing about that era. He is a modern boy and we will prove this to grandfather. Is that fine? Then what? His mask will come off and grandfather will know all the truth about him. And you also start taking care of grandfather and then we will divide the properties. Is that fine? 50-50, right? Tell me. Okay, 40-60. Hello. Hey, that grandpa passed away this morning, man. That man is a #1 fraud, man. As a child, he came here after running from village and he took a lot of loan from people. He fooled him. He doesn't have crores of properties, but he's in debts. Oh my God. Then what happened to Douglas? You should come and see by yourself. Come over here quickly. Hey guys, why you are looking so sad? He lived his life. He was old.
Now he's gone. That's it. Why you're feeling so sad? Hey, Vishwa, Suraj, why are you standing here? I will get all the properties to see that, right?
Are you also a grandson to this man?
Hey, who are you? Tell me. Yes, tell me. Who are you? Have you come here to deposit the money? Yes, I am his grandson.
Oh, from today onwards, you are going to take all the responsibility.
Oh, yes. Grandfather's properties goes to grandsons, right?
Not property, son, debt.
Debt?
Yes, when this man was in the outskirts, he took a loan of 20 crores. So you are the legal heir for him.
My grandfather took a lot of loan?
Not only borrowing, son, he was a very big thief. He robbed so many companies and fooled people. He robbed all the companies and he fooled so many people and run away from the village. So you will have to repay all the money which he borrowed. Everyone is very angry now and you will have to repay the money. You pay the money first and take the dead body.
Let me go.
I will not let you go like this. He is your grandfather.
You just leave me alone. Go from here.
Why he is showing the finger, Chitragupta? Children of this era are so ill-mannered. How can we put such responsibilities on them?
Master, don't look at that kid. Look at this kid. Hey God, that grandfather was a very bad person. He fooled so many people. But it's okay. Don't know what condition he was in. Why he did all that. Why he was forced to do such things. Whenever I was with him, he was a very nice person. Please have some mercy on him and send him to heaven. May his soul rest in peace. That's why I'm praying to you, God. My lord, don't be afraid of if the jewels are missing. We can't trust the humans. That's why I've left everything up there.
Don't be afraid, son. We were searching for good people like you. We are here to give you some responsibilities.
Huh?